Hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Hey, so today what do I have? I've got a repeat Selera Pedas with their spicy beef. It's beefy, spicy, Indonesian, and rad. So if you like mee goreng, this is definitely one to check out if you can find it. It shouldn't be that hard. I know they want to have this everywhere soon. Yeah, they also make, what do you call it? Here, let me put this on the boil. For 3 minutes. They make this stuff. It's called chabe sambal, and it's super good. I did a meet the manufacturer with ABC of Indonesia and ABC, the distributor here in the U.S. And I was thinking, like, man, I'm out of this chabe stuff. I really like it too. So I sent her a message. I was like, hey, any chance you can swing some over, you know, and I'll share it with some people, because I know some people who absolutely have to try it. Actually, that just went out in the mail. But, yeah, it's super good. So if you see it, try it. And, yeah, you just boil it for 3 minutes, add this stuff in, stir it up, and you're done. They also have a mayo and cheese one. It's kind of a trip. And they've got, thank you, doctor. And here,
I'm Miles.
you're Dr. Miles. Is that okay? Okay. You're doc.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, young man. Okay. So what do we got here? We have Momo Fukuendo Speaks. This is a book about or by the guy who invented instant noodles. So what do we got here? We got number 119. This is a quote. Each meal is an indispensable and precious meal for the consumer. It is absolutely unacceptable to say that we cannot avoid having a couple of defective products in the millions of meals we manufacture every day. I see that. I see where they're coming from. Yeah. I mean, you get like people who go down and sit to eat. Yeah, that might just be one out of a zillion people. But that one person who does, and they sit down and your food is like garbage, and it's usually good, but this time it's garbage, they'll tell everybody. Oh yeah, they'll let everybody know. Whereas somebody who has a really good meal, they might let somebody know. But if you have something really bad, people like to complain. Anyways, we have 25 seconds to go. I'm not sure if they still do, but you can get this over at shop.theramenrater.com, and it's yeah, go to shop.theramenrater.com. Check it out. Look at all the stuff. Look at all the stuff. All the stuff. There's a reasonable amount of stuff. I mean, you need to pay attention to that a little more. I think during the kids' winter break, I'm going to be spending more time on other stuff, more maintenance style things. Because today is the 16th of December, and I think I'm already up to, I've got episodes of this show all the way up to the 26th, so I'm almost out of January into February already. And by the end of this, actually, yeah, by the end of this week I will be. So I think that might be just what I do. And then there's like a bunch of site maintenance I need to do. Need to spruce things up. Deal with some things. like an errant plug-in that needs to be dealt with. Yeah. It's tricky. There's so much crap you gotta do when you have a website. A lot of crap. The tricky thing is like finding the time for it. Not only just finding the time for it, but wanting to spend the time on it. That's my daughter, ladies and gentlemen. She'll be 4 tomorrow. We call her the three-nager because she's like... It's like we asked her to do something, she's like, okay, alright. I'm serious. It's just like a mopey teen. It's like, how do you... Where are you getting that from? I don't hear you playing anything on your tablet that's like that. We're not mopey teenagers. I mean, really, we're not. You know, but... There you go. One thing with dual sachets from Indonesia, I swear to God, best thing to do, use a pair of scissors. You try to do both of those by hand at the same time, you're just going to get crap all over yourself. If you're me. Kitchen scissors, oh man. I wish kitchen scissors existed when I was a kid. I'm sure they did, they were just scissors that were in the kitchen. But that was like... Ooh, kitchen scissors. Exotic. Yeah. My mom kept a very regimental kitchen. It was always like, there wasn't anything funky in there. We did have a microwave, but it was pretty standard regimental kitchen. Alright, I know what this tastes like. These most likely won't, yeah, these aren't going to have posts with them, but maybe I should. There have been a few requests and things I'm going to do tomorrow too. I really like the noodles in it. Whoa! And then there's just like, it's like, ooh, this is nice and sweet and savory. Then, bam, it's like super hot. It's got a nice attack on it. Oh. Yeah. I keep wanting to do a mukbang, but it's just like, I haven't done that in a long time. I swear, my biggest problem these days is The Mandalorian. The Mandalorian requires a pizza. It requires it. And it's like trying to do the diet thing, and it's like very difficult. But next weekend is the last episode of The Mandalorian on Friday, day after tomorrow. Holy crap, that season went quick. And then it just goes dark for another year. Yeah. I wish I had another egg. The last review I did was the last egg that I own. I have no more egg. Coriander. No. Whew. Make it a little more moist. Yeah, I like that chabe stuff. It's yummy. And when I watch the season finale of Mandalorian this weekend, that will adorn my pizza. I guarantee it. Alright, Rotato, do it. that, Mimi? Well, why? Aren't you eating them? Well, where's your bowl? Oh my goodness. Well, I guess I better go. My daughter's handing me small broken pieces of chips, so God only knows what's going on with the carpet out there. But yeah, good stuff. Highly recommended. Get it. Try it. Yeah, this has been On to the Ramen Raid, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.